Hi there, and welcome to this tutorial on how to set up a stream in YouTube. So go to YouTube, log in. Once you're logged in, you should have an option to create a live stream. So go to create, go to go live, and it will load you up on the page where all of your streams are scheduled. So click on the scheduled stream button and then click on create new, which will give you all of the options that you need to choose. So type in a title for your stream. For this we're going to do a test stream tutorial, which is the name of this one. After that, you'll have to choose between public, unlisted, and private. Public is available to anyone. Unlisted is only to the people you send the URL to, and private is only visible on your account. Then you'll need to choose the section that you want. So educational. You need to choose a time and date that your stream is happening. Now this is just indicative. You can actually start your stream at any time, but what this does is it creates a little countdown timer to the point that you choose, although you can go live before, during, or after that time. It doesn't actually matter. So sort that out. So you can choose a thumbnail. Just helps, indicate which stream is which, if you've got a different thumbnail for each of them. Then you need to choose your audience. So yes, it's made for kids, so personalized ads and live chat won't be available on streams made for kids. Then click the create stream button. It will create a schedule, and then that'll load up. It'll replace your channel's icon with the icon you've chosen. Now we're going to create the stream for our actual event as well as a test beforehand. We like to have a test just to make sure that everything's working. So we'll go through all of our options again, and when we get to the date and time, choose the actual date and time of the event. So you can have your hold page which counts down to that time, and choose your thumbnail and the options about whether you want it for kids or not, and then create your stream. And once you've done that, it will add that to the scheduled streams. Now, so what you want to do is click on the test stream, and it'll take you to this page. So the test streams thumbnail, if you click on that, and what you want to do is there's a few bits of information we need on this. So up the top here with this arrow we've got in the top right corner of the screen, if you click on that, that is the URL that your audience will see. And so in this case, so we copy that, and we'll use that to see what our test stream looks like, seeing this is our test stream that we're testing. So we'll create a new page, paste that URL into it, and as you can see, it's counting down in the bottom left there. It's counting down to our time for when we're going to go live. Now that's indicative. We don't actually have to go live then, but it's always nice to start on time. Okay, so we go back to our schedule page, click on the thumbnail for our test stream, and that gives us some options that we need. So we need to copy the stream key. I will need a copy of that. So if you can copy that and paste it into an email, that would be helpful. So we're going to start the stream off, and if you look up the top right, you can see that we've now got an excellent connection, and very shortly we'll see a preview of our stream appearing in the top left corner, because I'm doing a test stream from some software that I have. And there we go, there's our hold slide. This event will be starting shortly. You can click on go live, and that will take you, that will push what you've got there in the preview window. It'll take it live. So I'll just show you how to set up your audience viewing page again. You go to the share button at the top right and copy the link for that, and we'll open that in a new tab. And so there we have our stream, which is going out live with our hold slide. That's running about 15 seconds behind real time. So whatever changes you make, it's 15 seconds before your audience sees it, or 15 to 20 seconds. It varies a little bit. So I'll change the slide from the hold slide to a title slide, and that'll come through shortly. There it is. And then when you're finished your show, we'll put up an end slide. There it is. And once we've finished that, you can finish the show. You can click on the end stream button. Are you sure? Yes, we are. Click end, and we are done. Now you can edit that if you want, but I'm not going to bother with that at the moment, so I'll just dismiss that. And that's pretty much all you need to know for setting up and testing your stream.